old hand crank ratchet. I had no idea it was even all metal. Started cleaning up the handle a little bit. Got aluminum there. I think this is also metal. But yeah, I think that would be a pretty nice piece. All polished and cleaned up. It's like a ratchet. Where am I? Can't see for the sun, but yeah, ratcheted in. Or for sockets or whatever, drives and sockets. But yeah, I'm gonna clean this little piece up, see how it does. But I got some more stuff. I don't know, I can't see my screen, but I got some more stuff to clean up there. Clean that one up a little bit. Got some more rusted stuff there to clean. But yeah, that aluminum's gonna be pretty cool. That's the steel there. But yeah, that might be a quick drive there. I haven't seen no name on it yet, but I'll keep picking at it with the wire wheel and see if any names or stamps come up on it. Alright. Refrigerator. Well, I didn't think it was much to it, but started cleaning it. But yeah, USA mark did come up. Get over here in the light or shade where I can see. See if it's gonna pick anything up. Filthy, it's this covered. Got some writing on there. But I just hit it with the wire wheel. I seen it was made in the USA. But this thing is just toasted. I mean, it's like grease and rust, filth. But yeah, I'll clean her up. But yeah, it looked like an old one, so I went ahead and picked this up. Got this at the yard sale. I think a guy just threw it in with some other stuff I bought. Yeah, he threw this in. These old cutters. Those are made in the USA. If I'm making it out or not, can't see the screen. But yeah, I'm gonna clean them up. See if they'll pinch. I got one pair of these. I had one pair, but I went ahead and got the other one. See, I think these were the ones I had. And I got these at the yard sale. Or these might have been the ones that came from the yard sale, but I cleaned them up a little bit. But yeah, I got that screwdriver at the yard sale. This I got a stamp to come up on it. Yeah, my hand ratchet. I don't know if you can make it out. But I don't know, it says Bonnie. Bonnie, and then a little symbol. Phone keeps shutting off. It's pretty damn cold out here though. But then this one wasn't any good. It was all dirty, but I stripped it, but missing a lot of teeth in there, so I wasn't gonna mess with it after I stripped it. But let's throw it out here and show you it's a USA one, but I don't know if it could be kept for parts and use the lower jaw on something else or not, on a different one. But yeah, had a fucked up teeth. I think I gave $1 or $2 for it, but I didn't know till I got it home, you know. But most of these were like either free or 50 cent or threw in to today. But so this is like cut right. Can't see. Well, I got a cut right made in the USA. Can't really make out what is MD West maybe. Where am I? Can't really make it out, but I had the 2 pairs of vice grips. Well, yeah, vice grip. Haven't cleaned those yet. Got this old beater chisel thing. Hadn't done nothing with it yet. But yeah, and then that made in the USA small pipe wrench. It's some teeth. This piece I have to do some research on, see if I could come up with a brand. It might be just Chinese, but it'll be a hammer or a breaker bar. I ripped the guts out of it, like I said. But yeah, I got the handle to go back on it. This turned out to be a Miller's Falls, and it's got some numbers on there. 8-inch P4. Number 850, made in the USA. Still need some more cleaning. Looks like they put the vice grips on there. I still need to clean up some more. And then that Bonnie hand crank ratchet, quick ratchet or whatever it's called, I'm not even sure. But yeah, I think that's about it today. About I don't know, maybe an hour messing with it. And then the other tools from earlier. But yeah, it's just gotten too cold and go get something to eat. Might check for some more tools at the local pawn shop. Alright, check you on the next video.